Welcome to AHA Family,
where kids and parents grow together. Subscribe and join our family.
Clean hand, happy tummy.
Look, Tommy, yummy cookies.
He's going for the biscuit. Get ready. Run.
Wow, it's a perfect place for food and rest.
Yummy burger.
Yippee! A burger is coming down. Turn up the music.
I love chocolate. Ouch, Mommy. My tummy aching a lot. It is making goo-goo sounds. I don't like eating anything.
Let's go to the doctor.
Aha! It sounds like some uninvited guests are having a picnic inside Allie's stomach.
Take this. This is the secret spy juice to say bye-bye the worm.
run for your lives! Pink secret spy juice washes over the party! It will squash them!
Wash your hand before every meal and keep you healthy and strong. Don't let the tiny tummy bugs sneak in.
Okay, Doctor Uncle. Next time, I will keep my hands clean and wash them before eating. Rub-a-dub-dub, no more tummy grubs. Hands are gonna be super clean. Hey, everyone. Hand washing keeps the tummy worms away so you don't get sick like I did.